Dear traders, in this lecture I will explain to you why I selected to use 10 expert advisors for this course, why I will not provide you just with one, because it will be much easier, right, to give you just one expert advisor, one strategy, and you place it on MetaTrader and you use it. And actually it took me quite a long time to realize that I need to trade with many strategies, not just one, because before I was always concentrating on one strategy, one expert advisor. I was spending months to test one single strategy, to modify it, to adjust it for the asset. And with the time I realized that if I have many strategies in my portfolio, this way I will achieve better results and I will lower the risk. And it is just like what the huge investors do, like Warren Buffett or any other. They don't invest in one company, they don't invest in one asset, they buy stocks, commodities, Forex currencies, now cryptocurrencies. They invest in gold, in oil, in anything available on the market, I can say. And this is because they don't want to put all their money into one asset. Just the risk is huge this way, right? But when you diversify your risk, when you invest in different assets, in different companies, you will achieve more stable results, because if one asset fails, for example, if the price goes down, the others compensate for it. And it's the very same thing what I am doing. I trade with many strategies, not just one, because if one strategy starts to lose, the others compensate for the loss. And right here I have the collection from the last lecture, I didn't remove it. And let's have a look at any of the strategies. Let's have a look at these two. You can see the strategy has this drawdown, it is a losing period, while this strategy at the same time and this one, they profit, okay? When this one loses, these two profit. After that, when this one loses over here, you can see that this one goes up a little bit sideways, the other one goes up as well. Okay, so it is very normal for every strategy to has a losing period. Okay, let me click on any of the strategies and you will see the balance chart in more details. Okay, this period here, the strategy doesn't make any more profit at this moment. As well, right here, and you can see it on many places. And this is absolutely normal for a strategy. Every strategy has losing periods and you have to accept it, embrace it. If you are a beginner trader, you should know that from now on, that every strategy has losing periods. Doesn't matter what strategy. Don't look for the strategies that will never ever have losing trades, because you will not find such strategy. And later I will talk about the over-optimized strategies that people sell on the market. These are the strategies that their equity line looks like a perfect line, like a regression line, and the purpose there is just to sell you these strategies. And normally such strategies, they lose after that when you start trading with them. And I will dedicate one lecture about that. Okay, so when I trade with 10 strategies or even 50 or even 100, I include in some of my courses 100 strategies. This way I compensate when some of them are losing at the current moment. If one strategy starts to lose, the others will compensate, because at this moment they will not be losing, just because their rules inside, their entry and exit rules, stop loss and take profit, are different. Okay, this is what I concluded from the many years I've been trading on the Forex market, that it is much better to trade many strategies and not to depend just on one. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will continue with the process I follow to create the strategies. Cheers!